Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming another freaking vlog. I feel like I'm just constantly filming for a vlog, even though all my vlogs are shit, so I don't know what I'm trying to achieve. But anyway, I am starting this vlog because I have a photo shoot tomorrow with a friend's brand, like a swimwear brand that she's opening up, which I'm really excited for / nervous. Like I really should have been working out this past week, eating healthy, but I didn't at all. But yeah, that's tomorrow, and I wanted to film a little behind the scenes and just film this weekend and a little bit of today. So I thought I would start up a new vlog for that. I just finished cleaning and vacuuming my room. So I just cleaned my room, as I said, and I really want to make freaking banana and chocolate muffins because they're like skinny chocolate muffins, so it's like healthy, kind of. I just put a load of washing on. I'm trying to be productive. I have to get ready for work in 2 hours. I don't know how long these muffins are going to take, but they always say it's going to take like an hour and it takes me like 3, so I don't really know if I can trust what the recipe says, but I'm gonna get changed because I'm really hot. Okay guys, so this is exciting. I've been talking about making these muffins for a freaking long time. First I just gotta put some music on. Hey! Let's do dancing! Let's do dancing! He's never hated me more than just on. Freaking hell, I hate this. Yummy! Oh, he hates me. Ew, this looks disgusting. These are gonna be disgusting. What are you waiting for? Okay, let's put these bad boys in. Okay, I just took them out of the oven. They look pretty freaking good. I'm just hoping that I like them. I don't like banana, so I don't know why I chose to make these, but they look pretty good. Hey guys, so quick little intro. I'm going to do a photo shoot with my friend for a company. She's literally waiting outside, and I'm grabbing some socks. I'm really nervous, but I'm doing like just pretending that I'm not so that I don't be nervous. Okay, whew, I gotta go. Okay, here are all the bathers. These are all my ones.
Oh shit.
These are all Nicole's. Lol. I'm so nervous.
Never been so caught up, still so into us. I never thought I'd be here. Should have turned to dust. Ooh, let's be honest, baby.
Okay, we've finished the shoot now, kind of. We're finishing it in the studio. Getting a Slurpee for a prop. I really just want a Slurpee.
I used to be cautious, a little too reckless. Now all my emotions are all cause of you. I ain't even think of leaving sometimes.
I'm so hungry. Did you have breakfast this morning?
No.
Neither of us had breakfast this morning.
I haven't had breakfast. I had a bee.
Oh, that's healthy. We had a Slurpee for breakfast.
And like that's just the food menu. Wait, that's the drink.
That's drinks. Oh my god, that's where I need to be.
Wait, Jess.
Cocktails.
Oh no, that's breakfast, right?
Chips are
so good. I'm glad we got 2 balls.
Oh my god, I can't freaking break it off.
Yeah, right?
Actually, I want that one.
Just in case Jess doesn't like it, then I can give you one.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. I feel like yesterday the vlog was a little bit jumbly because I was in a rush in the morning, so I couldn't really explain what I was doing. But basically, my friend Sarah opened up or is opening up a clothing label or like a swimwear label. It's called BAHENI Boutique. I'll leave their Instagram and stuff in the description box. But basically she just asked me if I could help her out with launching it by like modeling the bathers for pictures for the website and Instagram and stuff. With another girl, Nicole, and also Nicole's sister Stacey helped out, and there was a photographer and Sarah obviously, and it was so much fun. I was so incredibly nervous to do it because it is something that's so outside my comfort zone, but lately I've just really been trying to push myself outside my comfort zone because I feel like life could just get very boring and you wouldn't really be achieving things that you need to achieve if you just stayed inside your comfort zone and didn't do things that scare you, because every time you do something that scares you or makes you nervous, I feel like you grow a little bit more. So yeah, I did that and I was really glad I did because it was so much fun and it was really good to see Sarah so happy and seeing her products finally come out, and they were actually really good. I really liked all the styles of the bathers that I got to try on, and Nicole's, I was jealous of some of the bathers that Nicole got to try on because I wanted some of those. But basically it's the next day today. I'm so freaking hungry, you have no idea. I just finished editing a vlog and exporting it because, oh my god, my vlog game is my editing game is so weak right now. But yeah, today is Saturday. I'm going to my friend Zoish's farm today at about 2:30 or so for her birthday, which I'm very excited about. She has 2 alpacas and a sheep. And alpacas are one of my favourite animals, so I can't even convey to you how excited I am to see those alpacas. But yeah, we're sleeping over and just basically having a party at a farm, which just sounds like really fun. Right now I need to go walk to Safeway. Oh my god, Maddie's vacuuming and it's just really loud. Yeah, I need to walk to Safeway to get some vodka, some mixer for my vodka, get some sourdough bread and some avocado, because I'm hungry. And yeah, that's basically it. I also have to stitch up this freaking top. The one that I showed in my haul recently, it's just broken there. Like, it's just broken. So I need to sew that up because I know how to sew. And Lexi is meant to be coming to my house at like 1:30 and it's 12:30 right now. So I'm in a bit of a time crunch. I've also got to do my freaking makeup. And it's like kind of festival themed. So I have to do really cool like glitter makeup, which I'm not mad about at all. But we're on a bit of a time crunch. It's 12:41 actually, not 12:30. And yeah, okay. I'll show you guys my outfit. I am wearing this denim jacket, which is from Pepper Mayo. I'm wearing this beautiful white dress from Princess Polly. I'm so obsessed with it. And then I'm wearing this adorable like side clutch bag that Dad got me from Valencia when he went to Spain. It's really nice and sunny out today, which is beautiful, which is why I'm wearing a dress. It's probably freezing. It's like 14 degrees, but it's sunny, which is why I'm wearing a dress. So yeah, I've been talking for way too long, so let's just go to Safeway and get some stuff done. Okay, and we are back. That would have been like 1 second to you guys, but it really took me almost an hour. But yeah, I got a bunch of stuff from Safeway, and then I got some sushi as well for me and Lexi. For the sushi, I got some crispy chicken and avocado with this orange sauce, which is amazing. And then tuna and avocado, because that's my fave. So yeah, I think Lexi's bringing me an iced coffee as well, which is much needed. Yeah, but I just got literally all junk food from Safeway because the thing for Zoish's goes from like 3 and then we sleep over, so it's like big thing. So I gotta make sure I have some snacks. So I got this because it was on sale, but I'm not bringing them. And then these sour worms because they're freaking delish. Sourdough, which I told you I was gonna get. I also got this Kit Kat Gold, which is meant to be like golden white chocolate for caramel taste or something. I don't know. But apparently it's really good, so I got that. And then I got this vodka, which is in a freaking pride flag bottle, which is amazing. I cannot wait to drink out of this. So yeah, I got that. And then to mix with that, I got pine orange juice, which I need to put in the fridge. And this Waterford's apple and berry sparkling mineral water. This is my favorite thing to drink with water because I hate soft drink. It's just way too fizzy for me and it makes me really bloated and then I feel sick and ill. But this, because it's sparkling mineral water, it's really light and yeah, it just goes down a real treat. I'm just waiting for Lexi to get here now. These look so good. Needed to hurry up and get here so I can start eating. Okay, it is so much later, literally exactly a week. It's Father's Day today. We went out to breakfast with Dad this morning. It was so much fun. I got French toast and Turkish bread with eggs and cheese and lettuce apparently. Shared with this fashion girl. Look at that fit, beautiful. But yeah, I thought I would just end the vlog because I literally didn't do any vlogging the rest of that day. But yeah, oh, I'll show you my outfit. So this is my Father's Day outfit. I'm wearing this denim jacket from Pepper Mayo, this black bodysuit that's turtleneck, and then these fashionable pants from Romway, and then these earrings here. I got these from Lavisa yesterday. Lavisa is my favorite place to get earrings. And yeah. I've also...
Jessie, how am I going to do this without a sword?
Dude, it's so easy. You just have to sneak around the top.
I can't! Oh!
Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I feel like it was a really fun vlog and I'm very excited to edit it.
Jessie, how am I supposed to get up the top?
Climb.
How?
I've got to help this girl out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you very, very soon with a new video and yeah. Bye guys.